Today I'm going to show you how to make quick no-yeast flatbread from Chef Dietitian Julie Lopez. It's perfect for accompanying soups and stews or dipping into hummus. In a saucepan, combine butter and milk and heat until butter melts. In a bowl, combine flour and salt, then stir in buttermilk mixture until a rough dough begins to form. Sprinkle work surface with flour and knead dough until smooth. Wrap with plastic wrap and let rest for 20 minutes. Cut dough into 6 pieces and roll into balls. Then roll into 8-inch rounds. Heat a nonstick pan over high heat and place flatbreads in the pan one at a time. Cook until dough puffs up, flip, and cook until the underside becomes golden brown and dough puffs up again. To find this recipe, visit bigY.com. Until next time, be well.